time is it? 9:50. We got this 4-hour order block right here. We got bullish S&T, but we just inverted this volume imbalance. Damn, YM gone already. That's nice, YM. Wow. YM and ES stronger than NQ, but daily candle is bearish right now. 4-hour candle bearish too. Get through this, maybe we can talk. God damn, bro.
She wanna talk, I wanna deal with the matters. I got her in a virgin. I'm about to deal with a slaughter. Switch on the F like no matter.
Let me see if it's SMT here. If so, I would maybe buy through this. Weird ass shit. 944, 935. 944, 935. So that's SMT at the lows.
Last night she get a crack pipe a hickey.
That macro might be hitting.
I'm a guy now. Heard your brethren went fetty, he's a boy now. You're a gal clown, I never let them big me up. In a trap, 10 bits in a Timmy's cup, nigga.
9 seconds left, we about to close over it. I would maybe do something like this. Let me see if it resets the discount of this. I'm gonna go for these equal highs. Alright, yeah, I'm going. Let's see. She got no titties, I get her a surgeon. A bitch ain't shit to me, and a bitch ain't shit but a purchase. Take her to Golden Corral for the turkey, only where we go to Turkey. Yeah, coming through sliding inside of 300, they think not a signal. Yeah, fuck up a makeup and fuck up the oldest, she call me a circus. Yeah, she wanna go to Carbone, I'd rather just take her to church. Hey, the hair was fire, the hair was a demon, let's take her to church. Hey, take her to service. I'm tryna murder these rapper little niggas in real life. I don't get no fuck by no verse. I'm tryna take a little nobody through there for 36 hours. I don't need a perk. Pretty little bad bitch, she said that she fucked me for accident, but we both know it's on purpose. Ooh, Dixie dropping. I need Dixie to drop through that 12 a.m. right there. I just took that low, so that's a little tough. But 5 seconds left in this 1 minute candle. Let's see. I don't like how it's closing like that. Just got a dump. I don't like how the wick and the body close above this low. Let's see, maybe ES might have enough power to just give me that. No pullback, straight green candles. That's what we want. Nice little curl, SMT, 4-hour order block, 15-minute IFPG right there. Soon as I step out suburban, if niggas are lurking, you gotta let one go. It's for them niggas who's claiming they jumped out the porch, I ran out the front door. It's for my eater to know how to suck it, they fuck it, they twist it in one row. It's for my China bitch ran on spit down and she know that I'm coming, bitch done no. It's for my my ting in the telly that go out the side.
Yeah, I mean, YM.
Some of my niggas that standing right in front of the robber and trap shit front row. We just some niggas that made it for Queen, the Kennedy Road, the condos. Niggas that told us it wasn't no telling them moving the goalposts. That could never be Yoko. That could never be.
Definitely want to see this gap hold like this.
Jay, Ray, and Nice, none of my locals. Yo, Cody, are you fucking dumb, cuz? Come on, kid. I'm a guy in my city.
So lame that trade away down, bro.
I'm a guy in my city. You know I'm a guy in my city.
Alright, I would probably partial here or close the trade, to be honest. I'm just trying to go for these triple highs right here.
Your worst nightmares are waiting.
But
Return to
I would probably,
once and for all in a Stranger Things 5 haunted house.
Come on
Just
with this
one
shit,
nightmare
man.
of many at Universal
I don't know why I
Orlando
ain't got
Halloween
YouTube
Horror
Premium.
Nights. Tickets on sale now. Event not recommended for children under 13.
B-side. It's 90 world fucker. Yeah, hey, I cannot stop this shit. I'm getting money, I pop my shit. Haters, they just wanna stop my shit.
Ah, that rejection at 8:30, nasty work, bro. Disgusting work. You see why I say I would be out right there? Disgusting work. Crazy rejection. Definitely want to see this hold on YM and push it up to this new day opening gap. Need that confidence for ES to follow through.
Keep a crash dummy nigga with me in case you won't get with the stunts. They wanted me under, but look at the numbers. I'm putting that bitch in a blind. Play with us and niggas, I hop out.
I ain't even see the shot. Trade away dirty for that. Trade away back working. Trade away so lame. Trade away on TradingView, make sure it was closed for all of this. Then they want to open it now. Awful. Come on, yes, follow through for your boy. Oh my God, bro. That's crazy. That's ugly work. Ugly rejection. 26 on ES though. Can't really ask for much more, but all right, now it's like it's trying to go. ES should follow through as well. Slam say it's gonna get there. It's stopping me. All right, see yes. Go with your sorry ass. Boost up and hit that. One more. One more. Go. Of course you don't know. STP. Banger, bro. Champagne model too good, bro. I'm sorry, bro. This shit easy, bro. I ain't even gonna lie to y'all. He said 516, 50 low key to target. Fuck that. Target is smacked. Triple highs. Out of there.
Most important thing in business is honesty.
Out of there.
Family.
That's a great trade.
Take a shot.
Done for the day, just like that. It might run up here, to be honest, but
So you are what you are.
in this market, you see I'm taking.
It's either one of
Hold
two
on, let me
things.
turn it forward now. In this market, y'all see I'm taking like, I mean, this ain't even 1-to-1. This is a great trade, but I ain't going for the ambitious targets no more, bro. Even though this might still go because we got the money flip, this wick rejection crazy. Or I ain't going for the gusto no more. I'm going for the consistency. He said, I don't get the stop loss. I'll explain it. It's a 15-minute gap right here. It's just under the gap. There's a tiny order block right there. There's IFEGs over here. You know, it's just mainly under the gap though. That's my train of thinking is this little tiny order block and under this gap. Damn, fucking trade of 8. That's ass, but whatever. All right, let's review, and then we can kind of kick it for a little bit. These entries never make sense to me. Yeah. So before I enter, I was saying, I'm not sure if he was on the call or not, but before I enter, I was saying, here, I'm just break it down from the jump. God damn, ES, bro. Fuck trade of 8. Son of a bitch. All right, okay. So I'm gonna just run back through it real quick then. I got you. No worries, my brother. All right, so 4 hour, I'm sure you understand this. The 4 hour order block right here. We also had a daily gap that it tapped into, so I'm going to the 15-minute. And then the IFEG there. So I already know you understand all that. So let's talk a little bit more about the entry. All right, so 950 the macro start going like here. But I don't like doing that, especially because we was under this 12 a.m. up here. And the 4 hour was bearish before 10 a.m. So I don't like going here. I understand this. Yeah, then well shit. You understand the trade then. The only reason I didn't go there is because I didn't want price to do this. Because the daily is bearish and the 4 hour is bearish. So I kind of wait until it crosses that halfway point. So when it got right here, my thinking was this candle right here. I mean, the trade you posted is a great entry, obviously, in hindsight. But that's that's what I would like to do. But the 15-minute gap, and then another reason I didn't go down there is because there's no 15. Is that ES you looking at? Yeah. There's no 15-minute level here. It might be if I go all the way to the left. Let me see. I mean, this is technically an order block. That's, you know. But yeah, I mean, I get that could have been an entry, the one you took. I didn't see this. I was scrolling, but I didn't scroll. I was on a 1 minute scrolling, so I didn't see this. If I would have saw this, like maybe this fair value gap, this order block, this, then maybe I would have took what you took, or, you know, what you marked up. But I probably would have been out at the 15-minute gap if I did that. Just because, like, we are so bearish already and daily bearish. So I probably would have been, like, if I would have went down there, let's say I would have went off this IFEG. This is actually a great entry here. What time is this? 9:47, 3 minutes before macro. How did you scroll like that? What you mean? I went on the 15-minute chart and just scroll left. This would be a good trade to take. But I didn't see that 15-minute level. And to be honest, I saw this late too. If I would have I sat down in my charts late, bro. I sat down in my charts like 9:44. If I would have seen SMT and then that 15-minute level, then maybe these would have, especially this, it would have been probably this one. It probably would have been that one. But this is good too. But I probably would have been out like right here, or at least partial up. But like I said, we was daily. Yeah, it was bearish. That's why I didn't take it. That's why I didn't go there, because it was still bearish. So here, once we bouncing off 4 hour order block, the 15-minute candle, not 15-minute candle, 15-minute gap here. So this candle right here was my deciding factor. When this closed above the halfway point of that, I'm watching like this wick in this little order block, and I'm watching the next candle open. That's why I said I want to see if it goes to discount and then PL3 up, because that's what it did. It opened up, it went down to discount. Like if you're looking at this 15-minute gap in terms of discount premium, it went down to discount and then it started power 3 up. So that's when I entered. And then from there, it just 8:30 was right there, and then we had the triple.